Milling fixture. A fixture is an accessory which locates and firmly clamps the workpiece for machining, as in milling, planing, etc. The parts of a milling fixture used to mill a square head and a round pin is shown for visualization. The fixture has a rigid base plate which has provision for clamping with the machine table. The body is placed on the base plate. The clamping ring is slipped over the body and then screwed with the base plate. The taper ring is assembled on the top of the body. And the collet is placed inside the taper ring. The tightening cap is screwed with the body at the top. The round pin, that is the workpiece, is inserted into the collet. When the cap is rotated and tightened, the collet is pushed down against the taper of the taper ring. This makes the collet to close and grip and clamp the round pin.